MarineMax, North Key Largo. Today we'll be showcasing this 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. This boat is equipped with twin 350 Verados, light blue hull, undercoated hardtop light blue, convertible lounger. It has a live well here, flip out seat in the rear. Come on up and you can see the bow table. Bow table here, it has a joystick piloting system. As you can see up front, has a bow shade. We do have another bow table available. Plenty of storage. This lounger converts into a full bed. Sleep area. Let's back up. Two different positions if you want full lounge this way. Your starboard seat turns all the way around. It's an electric motor, move up or down, so you can actually get the height of it as you need. Inside here, you have a little sleeping quarters or a little get out of the sun area. On the starboard side, you have your head with a pull-out freshwater shower to rinse down. And here we have a fridge, and we have a dive door. To schedule a showing on this 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage, please give us a call.